Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to make a Facebook business page. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're gonna click down on the menu button and you're gonna go ahead and just scroll down for a little bit and you're gonna see the pages button. So we're gonna click on it and we're gonna create a new one. So we're gonna just get started with creating our new business page and we're gonna enter our name for this page. So in our case, I'm gonna just put test and I'm gonna just proceed, and it says right here the page names that are too broad are not allowed. So I'm gonna just throw in some numbers and just basically continue and search for categories. Maybe in my case I'm gonna just keep it like healthy and beauty, and I'm gonna just proceed. And it says right here, enter your setting up your page, enter your bio and general location and all that, and the hours. So I'm gonna proceed, and we're gonna add the customize your page and adding your header and profile picture. We're gonna continue and enter your phone or business phone number. If you are in US or if you are in some other countries, you can do that. In our case, we're gonna skip and we're gonna just proceed, and we are done. We're just creating our new business page. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.